Hello everyone. If you want to decorate your backyard area and your garden area with the help of water fountains, then you are at the right place. Here we are showing you the beautiful collection of water fountain ideas that will save you major time and money as well. I will recommend you then that please do not skip this video and watch it complete. Want to add a unique element to your backyard? Opt for a few one-of-a-kind dye water fountains. If you are completely clueless as to how to make a water fountain in the first place, though do not fret. Here you will find our favorite dye outdoor fountains as well as beautiful options you can simply buy from a dye fountain made from flower pots to a homemade water fountain that revolves store-bought renditions. These easy and unique projects will reinvigorate your garden like nothing else. Plus, check out more of our best backyard decorating ideas that will be sure to wow your guests during summer stories. For more ideas, you can subscribe our channel Home Interiors and you can visit my channel as well. Here I am showing you the inventive designs for a beautiful garden fountain. The soothing sound of flowing water has long been a feature of celebrated gardens around the world. Not only does a fountain add welcome beauty to an outdoor space, but it also provides a pleasing white noise, helping to screen out the sounds and cares of the larger world. To give a sense of cloistered calm to even the most modest backyard, you need not shell out for expensive designs found in home and garden centers. Instead, here are the beautiful collection of water fountains that will delight visitors to your outdoor space. For an almost instant homemade fountain, insert an inexpensive electric pump into a large ceramic or concrete planter. Then fill it with water and plug it in. Place your creation in a bed of low flowering ground cover to highlight your landscaping, or install it on the deck or patio and relax to the soothing sound of flowing water. Adding a water feature brings a whole new sensory experience to your garden. A well-placed fountain can transform any ordinary backyard into a relaxing outdoor retreat with the restorative sound and hypnotizing movement of trickling water. A fountain can also serve as a focal point in a front yard, plaza, or a courtyard. Garden fountains come in a wide range of sizes, styles, and materials. You can purchase a prefabricated fountain, or you can have one custom designed and built. Fountains can be mounted on walls, freestanding, tied, or disappearing. The option you choose will primarily depend on your budget, space, availability, maintenance considerations, and garden style. A good rule of thumb is to use a large fountain as a focal point and a small fountain as an accent element. A landscaping professional can be help you to sort through the options and ask the right questions before you install your fountain. If you have got a dusty bowling ball rattling away in the basement, you have got the crowing feature of this clever backyard fountain. I hope that all these designs will really inspire you. Here we are showing you the beautiful and the stylish, and you can see the modern collection of outdoor fountain ideas. Outdoor fountains are a great addition to any landscape. Find ideas here for what style, size, and design of fountain would work best in your landscape. To make your fountain the focal point of the patio, a tiered model is ideal. With a tiered fountain, water softly flows downward, making a soothing sound. A breathtaking backdrop is an ideal way to add beauty to a fountain. Small fountains are the perfect fit for many landscapes. The sound of running water produces a calming effect for guests while still offering a visual treat. So this is all about the beautiful designs of outdoor fountains. I hope that you will enjoy this video. Please hit the like button if this video will inspire you, and do not forget to share it with your friends as well.